I believe there's a big difference between being on the water and being behind the wheel. I am not a boater. I am a driver.